At what point did you decide to help people by basically coaching them in business and life? And how's that working out for you?
It's always been in me to help, to coach, to guide, and to lead all my life. But it really took all the challenges of life for me to say that this is God's calling for my life. For me to use all that I have been through to be a blessing to somebody else. Like I said, I'm very transparent and authentic with my journey. I may be doing it wrong, and I know I am because people always tell me, why aren't you monetizing when you coach? And I am working on it. But as of right now, I am coaching and helping people. But how God is blessing me is more than money can buy. That's where I am with life coaching.